Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I love interacting with you. So I hope that you will stay and check the channel out. Today, we are going to be doing a much anticipated box, which is our BoxyCharm, and this is our regular BoxyCharm box. Yesterday, I did the premium box unboxing, and I fell in love with it. It was my very first premium that I have received, and I loved it. I can't wait to keep getting them. BoxyCharm is blowing Ipsy out of the water, if you want my opinion. I hope Ipsy steps it up. Otherwise, most of my money is going to be going to BoxyCharm. Also, their add-ons were insane, which I will go over after we go through the box. I do have a website, their website pulled up that has the add-ons on there now. However, they have been changing for the last 3 days, so I have 2 orders in. I will go over all that with you when I'm finished going through my box. In the meantime, this is the $25 a month box, and it is a subscription for those of you that don't know. Most people do know. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. Super excited. And for those of you that do tune in, we just did a giveaway, and congratulations Danielle, her box will be going out today. So we're trying to get to the 300 mark, the 300 subscriber mark. That way I can do another giveaway. I love doing giveaways, and we're almost there. So if you are watching and you're not subscribed, please subscribe so that we can get on to the next giveaway. And let's get into our box. Hello, Charmers. And then you open it up. Now, was it red last month? I don't know if it was red or not. I thought it was all black. Maybe I'm wrong. But the premium one was blue. So I don't know. I'm going to start paying attention to that. So here's what it looks like when you open it up. And then you have a foam and you have your products underneath. So this theme is the same. It is breaking the ice. And I just think that picture is so pretty. I think it's really cute. And then you have your products on the back. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm seeing a repeat, but I don't know if I got it in Ipsy or if I've gotten this. I think it came in Ipsy. So this is the Skin & Company Roma, I guess. Let me go through what the card says. Where are you at? Yeah, Skin & Company Roma Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. A delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and smoothing fragrance. Truffle Therapy Face Gommage is a luxe formula combining the best of iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and luxury Italian spa experience. Okay, I didn't fumble too bad through that. A beauty cabinet staple, the Truffle Therapy Face Gommage features sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, and our unique exclusive black winter truffle extract, which has a high concentration of superoxide dismutase, whatever that says. A powerful free radical scavenger that reduces the signs of aging, gently buff away and erase dull, lackluster skin, revealing a more luminous and healthy complexion, valued at $28. Yeah, $28. I'm not sure, like I said, if I have this. It is cruelty-free. Is that sealed? Okay, so it is it sealed? I can't tell. Yeah, it's sealed. So I'm not going to open this, just for the fact that I do have a bottle of this. I'm pretty sure it's the same. If it is, this will be put aside for a giveaway. And this is 5.07 fluid ounces. So not a bad product at all. All right, then next product. And I seen this in a lot of advent calendars this year, and I'm kind of happy to have this because I wanted to try it out. I was getting jealous. FOMO is real, you guys. It's real. I don't know why I always look up. I don't know. FOMO is real. Let's see. Where are you? All right, so Avant Skincare 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. There's no way. There's no way. All right, so when I finish reading this, keep in mind that this is 1.69 fluid ounces, you guys. Keep that in mind. The FOMO is really real, but I didn't realize this. Okay, so keep in mind, 1.69 fluid ounces. The 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask works to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. And it's valued at $107. $107 for this little thing. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you know I'm keeping that, and it better perform. Well, I'm not going to say that because that is some so it says, what is tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Age Radiance 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. Apply a thin layer to clean dry skin, allowed to absorb in the skin, no need to wash off. I will be trying this tonight. Absolutely. I just can't believe the price. It is sealed. Always a good thing. Wow, and it doesn't want to come off. Okay. I like don't want to waste it. It's like liquid gold, you guys, like liquid gold. Do I not have the seal all the way off? Now, if I press on this and it comes flying out, I'm going to be so upset. So I don't think I have the seal all the way off of it. I think there's like plastic there or something. Let's see if I can get that off of there. I do know. Please stand by. No, I'm just kidding. Yes, there was a piece of plastic on it. So I'm glad I didn't squeeze that crazy. Okay, there we go. So now, I don't know if you can see it, but it is coming out. All right, is it fragrance free or anything? It is cruelty free. It definitely has fragrance in it. It's in the ingredients. Oh yeah, it does. It's not harsh at all. It's very clean. So, $107? You gotta be kidding me. I will be trying this tonight. All right, next item. Okay, I was wondering if I was going to get this or not. Now, this is the concealer for Pretty Vulgar. Now, little quick, this doesn't look like it's going to be my color either. Middle ground. Is that what it says? I don't know. Okay, so let me tell you the quick story real quick. So, on the complexion quizzes, that was the box that it got lost in the mail and it came late, Well, I ended up getting the Becca swatch, which, coincidence, is what we're getting this month, or well, next month, in February. So and a lot of people got this as their swatching. You know, I say way too many times. We need to have one of those counters. But anyway, so I don't know. I think this looks like it's too dark for me. I don't know if I should try. Yeah, see, it is. It needs to be a lot lighter than that. So I'm not going to open this, but I will read the description of it. I really want to try this, though. All right, so Undercover Concealer is a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural, flawless finish. Infused with vitamin E and, oh my goodness, Gala, I don't know. It is seriously GALACTOARABINAN, whatever that says. To keep skin moisturized and to rejuvenate and improve the skin's appearance. The angled doe foot applicator is easy to use and precisely applies the velvety soft formula to visibly brighten the complexion and cover dark circles. This blendable, long-wearing concealer is great for all skin types, and it is valued at $25. So that's about the price of a concealer. Well, a high-end concealer. I am into the CoverGirl concealer, so can't beat that price. It's like $10 or something, maybe even cheaper than that. This looks like it says Undercover 63, the middle ground. I'm guessing You guys probably cannot see that, and it's probably not going to focus anyway. I would love to open this, but I'm not. I think it's way too dark. Obviously, we can see that. Duh, Mandy. Okay, so I'm going to put this aside as well. A friend of mine gets Boxy too, so I'm going to see if she got one and if hers, because she's a little bit darker complexion. Funny story, she just texted me not long ago with our add-ons. We ordered shades that might like fit each other, so we might be switching shades for the Becca foundation that's coming in the boxes. We'll see. I got vanilla and she got shell, so we'll see. All right, next item is from Queen, is that right? Yeah, I guess so. Can you see that? Yeah. Queen Studio Matte Liquid Lip Stain. If you're a full coverage enthusiastic, this matte liquid lip stain, satin. Oh, it's not a stain, satin. The whole time, satin. Where is it? The matte liquid lip satin is your superhero. Our extremely pigmented formula gives you a true matte finish in a one coat with 12-hour performance, valued at $17. That's definitely some claims. And it looks like I have thick skin, which is beautiful. Let's see what it looks like. Never heard of this company. So I do enjoy getting things that I never heard of, but I don't like getting a lot of things that I never heard of. So one thing in a box is pretty good. All right, so there's what it looks like. It reminds me kind of like ColourPop and Kylie mixed together. Okay. It definitely has a little bit of a smell. Oh, I like the color though. And it is very soft. That's very pretty. So I will be trying this out soon. I like this. All right, so, and I think we're down to the last item in the box, and it seems to be a palette. It is right. Oh, that's right. This was choice. I am starting to write my choices down now because I always forget what my choices were. And when I go through my boxes, I'm like, did I pick that? Was that my choice? So I'm starting to write my choices down in my little book. So this is Ace Beauty. I think Beauty, I don't know. I think it's Beauty. Let me know down below if I'm right or if I'm wrong. Vintage Dawn. So you had the choice to choose from the red one or the other color. And I chose the other one because it was like yellows and blues and yeah. So, oh, well, that's what the front looks like. Same as the packaging. And then you open it up. You have a mirror. And then here are, is it going to bend back? Hello, are you going to bend back? There we go. And here are your colors. So I wanted this color really, really bad. I thought it was really pretty. It doesn't look as bright in person, but yeah, that's what I wanted it for. So there's the colors. And like I said, the other one was more like red colors, which I have 1,000 palettes that are, you know, that warm tone red kind of look. So where is, okay, my little wipe thingy, my makeup wipe remover. Let's read, and then if my hair will stay out of my face, we'll do some swatches. So, where are you at? Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette features 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises and sunsets witnessed in various locations around the world. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff, valued at $34.99. So not too bad. All right, so let's go ahead and do some swatch. Very soft. They did give us an Ace Beauty palette before, and I do love it. And I still do use it. These are very, very buttery, pigmented, soft, oh wow, eyeshadows. Yes, I like those yellows. One swipe swatches, as you see. Wow, that's really pretty too. See, so you do get a red in here. All right. So Sun, Daybreak, Horizon, Gleam, Grand Canyon, Golden Hour, Pyramid, Fade, Serengeti, Cactus, Sky, and Dew are the names, which are pretty cool. All like earthy, kind of, you know. These are really pretty. I'm definitely going to try this palette tomorrow. And I do have some Target boxes to film tomorrow, so you'll be able to see this look. This came from some of the Too Faced palette that I got yesterday. And what else did I use? Riviera. I used Riviera. All right, so there's the end of that. And then beautiful swatch. Beautiful, that color. That's what I really wanted it for. That's really pretty, you guys. Look at the pigment. The only one that's a little right there, these two. Other than that, look at the matte there, that matte. That matte's pretty good. The blue is even pretty good. I'm not knocking that palette at all. So let's do a recap real quick. We have the very bougie, expensive cream that I can't wait to try. The Ace Beauté palette. We have a nice, where's it at? Right here. Liquid lip. We have the Skin Gommage, I guess. And we have a concealer for $25. Ipsy, take notes. Let me know what you think of the box. Did you enjoy the box? I have variation 22. I don't know if you can see that. And I just think that Boxy has been killing it. I really do. Let me know down below if you guys got some of the same things as me. I always love to do that and find out. All right, so for my add-ons, I just wanted to go through real quick and let you know what I did get. I did get, as I said earlier, the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation for $12 in the shade Vanilla. I got the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil for $12. The Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette. Now this I'm not 100% sure because I got it for $12. And when I scrolled through, I'll look through in 1 second. It was valued at more than that. The Cosmetics Face Roller, purple, $12. And Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick Bend and Snap for $6. So those I got. I will make a video with those. We're going to look on my iPad here real quick. Yeah, see? I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is now $22.50, and when I bought it, it was $12. So I don't know what that's all about, but anyway, who knows? Well, they charged me the $12, so all right. So here is what the add-ons look like when you scroll through them. Do a little quick scroll for you. I don't know, because I'll have this video up tonight, so I don't know if these will still be available, but this way at least you can see what it was all about, you know. And I think that's it. Yep, that's it. So this was my choice for next month, that iconic London palette, so super excited about that. And things just kept changing as the day went by. But anyway, that's it for today. Like I said, I do have some Target boxes that I want to film tomorrow, so I will try that eyeshadow palette for tomorrow, and that way at least you'll be able to see what that looks like. This is gorgeous. I just can't wait. That $100 cream, I'll let you know tomorrow how it felt. I know you're not going to see any results right away, but stay tuned for tomorrow's Target boxes. Hopefully I'll post at least one of them, because there's 2 boxes that I ordered. So hopefully I'll post at least one of them tomorrow, and then I'll let you know everything about what I felt about, you know, the trying of this box. So don't forget, guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, because I'm a small YouTuber and I don't get suggested a lot. So we need to grow, do some more giveaways. And thank you guys so much for being here. Like, subscribe, comment. Have a fantastic day, you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.